Today I ran into a few little issues. It seems me itty bitty little car had an even itty bitty little problem. I've known about it for a while. It involves head bolts. Anyway, it seems after so many years and the fall of the wall and everything, the bolt threads have just finally fell apart in all of them. So we're finally going to take care of it. I did this a year ago. Put in graded hardware, SAE, because it's all we can get locally. Can you say fire drill? This is not the right way to do it. The best way would be just getting another set of cylinders. But I'm not doing that because I'm cheap. Since there's a Trabant here. So let's just drill one. The threads just about fall out. Here we go. I'm not pressing whatsoever. Look at that. It's right in. Come back straight. It's following the hole. I'm not working whatsoever. Back out of there. You see that? Those are just thread chunks. Put it right there. Yep, there it is. Some wafer thin holes, aren't they? I like to go a little deeper, but well. When I was coming home yesterday, I heard a bit of a poof, and I couldn't make it up my driveway. Half of 27 horsepower. It's not enough. Do this again. Contact. Show you something. A little bit of side fluff. Here's a new. Sorry. Oh, here we go. Here's a new cheap type of Trabant gasket. Just aluminum. Here was the high strength gasket. Take a look right there. You can see that that gasket is ruined. Still was a better quality. And the piece de resistance. It's cleaner. You can actually take off the gaskets and use them without them, supposedly, for a little bit more power, but don't want to get greedy. Anything over 27, you know, I feel like it's wrong. Well, I already got the hole started. So you just go a little bit, and then you back it off. So this was, I believe, a 10 by 1.5. And now we're going to a 7/16 by 14, I believe. So not the right way to do it. But I cannot seem to find locally an 11mm bolt. My next thing will be a 12, and it just seems way too big. There it is. Okay. Got a nice whiff of gas here from the tank. It's right here. I'm smoking. Okay. Oh yeah. That's a thread you can get behind. Let's just show you here. Alright, going for a ride. A nice crisp thread, isn't it? Whereas here, it's just straight through. Airbag, tire, more miscellaneous Trabant parts. Ooh, look, another transmission. Looks like it leaks just as much as my rebuilt one. And front axle. Curious? The axle slides in and out on these little pins here. They have rollers with needle bearings, and you can rebuild it. Pretty neat idea. Albeit old. Alright. I think you get the idea of this. There you go.